Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to edit the duration here. I'll just type in example and I'm going to use the lemon milk font. Go to the animation section, go to loop and select wave 3 and adjust the speed. I'm also going to adjust the size as well. Go to the text section again and go to the glow. Select this option and adjust the intensity and the range. Like so. Go to background and add in a black stock video first. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and add in like any videos that you want underneath. Select video, go to basic, go to blend mode, and select darken. And that is pretty much it really. Let's try this one instead. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Let me just add in some more glow to this. I'll just type in edge glow here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video helped you edit this text. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.